Lowest total defended by Punjab. 111 was the target for Kolkata, the defending champions, to come and get that runs going, but will be very disappointed with how things have gone about. And on the other hand, you cannot keep a champion player out of the game. Yuzi Chahal, not bowling his best, comes up and picks a 4-wicket haul. Marco Jansen has struggled when it comes to bowling as well. The matchups have worked really well for them, and Kolkata will be very disappointed with how things have gone about. They probably must have thought halfway through the match, must have thought that this is the game where they can probably improve their net run rate a little bit more. But Mullanpur, we've been talking about how difficult it is going to be when you are chasing in this wicket, and though it is not a high score, a low total has been defended, and what a day it has been for Shreyas Iyer against his former team where he won the championship. He needed to come up with his A game. I think he was brilliant with his captaincy, how he's gone about and how he's turned around this game. Marco Jansen, Yuzi Chahal, Harshdeep especially bowling that maiden in the end. Andre Russell trying his best but wasn't enough to get the team past the victory line. I think something for Kolkata. I think they'll be very disappointed. But on the other hand, Punjab is on a roll. They're making sure that they're playing as a team, and they've come yet again and secured these 2 points. The home ground, which has been very difficult for them, they've already won 2 out of 3. So it looks like a great and positive start for them already in this tournament. Dafa News is running daily cricket fantasy. I've been reminding that so that you guys can get an opportunity to win an iPhone 16 Pro, a Samsung S25 Ultra. If you come second, it's still fine. You can win some Apple AirPods and Samsung Buds. For more sporting and cricketing information, visit Dafa News.